Hi everyone. Right, what I've got here is, you know, you always get at Christmas time, or you always get like these glitter birds and you don't use them all. Well, I've shown you before how to alter them. And I'm going to show you again how to do a lace bird. I do like them, but I'd rather have them covered in lace. So what I'm going to do is, I've got some applique bits here, and I've taken the feathers out first, out of its bottom. Do that. I'm going to take the wings out as well. Just take them out, because we can sort that out later, and I don't want that particular wing anyway. So there you go. All we do now is we cover this in lace. Now, I'm just going to get the glue gun and pop a little bit of glue on its head. And then I'm going to pop a leaf just on there. And wherever the leaf is, you know, just spread a bit of glue and pop that in place. Don't worry if there's any glue bits sticking out. You can get rid of that. All of that can be gotten rid of. Now, because it's glitter, it does sometimes take a little bit time to glue down. So now I've got the lace on the top. I do want to have some lace, a nice flower across the breast. So right now, make sure we do that and pop that just there. I'm going to even that, oops, sorry, sticks to your fingers of course because it's lace, and pop that on there. And this is just another way to alter your birds. Now I've got some of this. Do I want to do that? Yeah, I'm going to put a little bit here. Any bits I don't need, I will cut off. I'm basically just gluing it on, because I'm altering it from a glittered bird to a lace bird. So don't waste these bits and pieces. We just get a little bag for them and get the glue off my thumb. Now I might need to just take a little bit of that. Let's just have a look. I'm just going to slice that down the middle there and slice that, and I'm just going to pop a little bit of glue here and pop that on. Same here. And then a little bit of glue underneath there. And we're going to pop that little bit just there. That'll do. I'm not that fussed. It depends what lace you're using in that. Now, what I can do is, I think, I'm just going to pop that down. Like that. Snip that off. And I didn't need to move the feather. I didn't want it in the way though. Sorry about that. I had to take that call. Right, so now we've got that. What I was going to do was to glue the tail back in. So I'm just going to pop in these two feathers first with that one. And then just pop those in there as well. That's fine. And then what I'm going to do is just, if I can find it, which I hope I can, I'm going to give it a good shake. There we go. Take a little brush. There we go. This one will do, I think. And then I'm just going to paint over that. Right, I'm going to try and put that. In fact, I'm going to get some clean feathers. They're a bit yucky. Let's have a look. Do you know what? I've actually got a couple of these. So I'm going to use one of these, I think. And just snip that there. Again, we do sell these in the store as well. Hopefully we can shove that up its bottom. I'm only going to use a black felt, if I've got one. Yeah, I've got one here, for the eye, just because, to save time. Like that. And there we go. Let me just see. We do have some here somewhere. Here we go. I've got some No, I'm not going to do pink. I'm not going to do that one either. Let me just have a look. This one will do. I've got some stickles. And all I'm going to do is just to glitter mine up a little bit. Wow, I'm going to soak that. So, not sure if you can see that, how it's changed it. Like that. And it's a much better bird.